Let's make a Black Cuban #1. We are going to make this drink into the glass, and I'm using an old-fashioned glass. I'm going to add some ice. And then I'm going to add 2 ounces of my white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I almost said 36 for some reason. Then 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Kahua is very traditional. I'm using this Loon Liquors coffee liqueur from Minnesota Distillery. I like using local and craft when I can. So 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Give it a quick stir. And garnish. There are optional garnishes. Some recipes will call for a lemon wheel or a lemon wedge. Some will call for a cherry. Some will call for both. Today I'm just going to use a cherry. I'm going to drop that right in there. And I'm not going to drink much of this because I'm allergic to coffee, but there you have it. A Black Cuban #1. Drink with good spirits. Yeah, that's coffee.